Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to do some animations for free. So first, you go to any AI, I'm using Poe, but then you can go to any AI of your choice. So we want to get a story for our animation. So any prompt that you are going to use is fine. But this is the prompt I'll be going with. Write a short story talking about what do you want us to talk about? So love, something short, yeah, calm and enjoyable. Calm and enjoyable. Yeah, that would do. And so for the sake of the project, we'll be using only the first line, only the first paragraph. So it has written the script and then we'll use it. So you go to any text to speech AI out there. So I'm using Speechify. But then if you have any other one, so we have 11 labs and others. So you can try that as well. And then you input it here and let's see. Yeah.
In a small town where the sun rose slowly over the hills,
Playing.
Clara sat on her porch with a cup of
See
steaming
how good
tea.
this one
The air was
sounds. So you
crisp,
can even
filled with the scent of pine.
do some changes to it when necessary. So when you're done, you just export it, generate audio, then you download it. Then that's all. And then now let's go to the animation aspect. So for the animation aspect, we'll be using Adobe Animate. So we go to the plus icon there, we click on it, it opens, we go to quick actions, we scroll down to animate characters. After that, so there it is. So you can change your character, you can shrink or enlarge your character. So let's try that. So we shrink this, we can enlarge it back, and then now we can look for other characters as well. And so I'm going with this character. I just like his costume. Then now we can come and change the background. So you can use any background of your choice. I like this background. And so now you go and take the audio that we just downloaded and we import it here. So you click on the browse link there. But then you can press the record if you want to. That's where you want to do your voiceover and it works perfectly. But then since we already have audio, we'll be using that one. And then we wait for it to load. So it's done. You can play it and listen to it.
In a small town where the sun rose slowly over the
So you
hills,
see,
Clara sat on her
we have
porch with
done
a
it in
cup of
just some
steaming
few
tea.
steps.
The air was crisp,
So you can
filled with
go
the
and
scent of
explore
pine
more
and blooming
and start
flowers.
making your own
It was the
stories.
kind of morning that
Thank you
wrapped
very much
around
for
her like a
listening to
soft
me.
blanket,
Please
inviting.
leave a like, share, and let's talk more. So you can download it afterwards. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Another time. Bye.